All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today we're going to be going over OARK. OARK is YieldMax Innovation Option Income Strategy ETF. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about this massive 36% dividend yield. We're going to go over ARK Innovation ETF. We're going to dive into their holdings and see what they're actually holding to get this insane dividend yield. And we'll also go over some of the cash distributions. But before we get into that video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed. We're now up to 85 subscribers. Our latest video, which was on my Tesla strategy, which was how I plan to invest in Tesla. Please do watch that video if you haven't already. It got 364 views within the first 21, we'll call it 22 hours. That is fantastic. So please do watch that video along with a bunch of our other ones. They're all doing great. The reason why I'm zoomed in, I did get a comment recently saying that I'm recording in 360 frames per second, which, I do appreciate that comment just because it helps me to make better videos. Let me see if I can find it here. But yeah, this one right here. Hello, can you please upload videos in FHD at least, because 360p is too bad resolution. I am so sorry. I'm not sure if it was my screen recorder or my computer. I have a feeling it's my computer. As you can see, we're getting views every second. Don't mind me. But yeah, I think it's my computer. I am trying to look for a better software. I am using Bandicam right now. If you guys have any amazing screen sharing softwares that you guys would recommend, please do put it in the comments below, because I am currently looking for one. I was up till 2 a.m. trying to look for one, and I just could not figure that problem out. But nonetheless, today we're going to be talking about OARK. So if you can bear with me for the rest of this video, let's do it and let's make some money. Okay, so getting into it, OARK pays a 36% dividend, and how it does this is OARK, just like Tesla, just like AMZ, which is Amazon, just like Apple and Nvidia, they are a YieldMax fund, a YieldMax Innovation Option Income Strategy ETF fund called OARK, OARK is their ticker symbol, and they are an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling/writing call options on ARK. ARK is ARK Innovation ETF, ARRK. So ARK, they sell and write call options on ARK and collect a monthly premium. They work pretty much the same as Tesla, but what I want to do is I want to go over ARK's holdings, because unlike Tesla, which is an individual stock, ARK Innovation is an ETF which holds a basket of stocks. As you can see, they're 15% in consumer cyclicals. They are almost 30% invested in healthcare, and they're also majority invested in technology. That is their biggest holding, and then communication services 15%. So going into their top 10 holdings right here, which make up 63% of all their holdings, we have Tesla at number 1, we have Zoom at number 2, we have Roku number 3, Path number 4, Coinbase. YieldMax is actually going to create a Coinbase ETF, so if you guys do want to see that, I could make a video about that in the future. SQ, which I'm not really sure what this is, Block Inc. Class A. And they got a couple other holdings, such as Shopify and some of these bad boys down here, therapeutics, whatever that is, you already know. But yeah, so those are the holdings that make up ARK Innovation. I kind of stayed away from ARK Innovation for a long time because I seen it as kind of like a pump and dump, to be honest, because they invested in a lot of almost like COVID related things like the Zoom and the Shopify when all that was really booming. And it really did boom. As you could see, the stock price went here. So we're going to call it about 2019. It was about $50 all the way up to $150. So that is a 300% increase. It is a massive increase, but then it dropped all the way back down. Now, if you are bullish on ARK and think that I might reach those previous highs, which it was at during COVID, about 2020, literally 2020, 2021, then now might be a great time to buy, as you could collect 36% premiums on the way up and get that, basically we'll call it 300% gain, as the price is currently sitting at $44. Now let's just go over their past dividends. So as you can see here, they paid out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dividends so far, starting in January. They paid about 75 cents. Bumped it up to $1.10, back to 75, then down to 50, down to 36, then back to 50. So their dividend is all over the place, going from about $1.10 to about 35 cents. As you can see, it's a pretty up and down I don't want to say up and down industry because that's not what it is. They're just an ETF and they hold a basket of stocks. And within that basket of stocks, I guess they're hoping that people invest in ARK, but also those companies do well. Because if those companies do well, then ARK will do well. So if you believe in the top 10 holdings, which are, just go down to them here, which are Tesla, Zoom, Roku, Coinbase, and Shopify, all these kinds of holdings, if you believe in them, then you should invest in ARK Innovation ETF, but not just ARK, OARK, as OARK pays a massive dividend. Not only will you receive the gains of ARK, but you'll also receive that 37% dividend. That is wild. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This was a little overview of ARK Innovation ETF, but the YieldMax version yielding 36%. If you did enjoy that video, please subscribe, give this video a like. You don't have to, totally up to you. But if you do, you'll see more content like this and you'll probably make more money, not gonna lie, because this is a channel about dividends and getting your money up. So please do watch all these videos. We are a growing channel on YouTube, as I say all the time, so please do subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video and take care till next time.